This 2022 Keystone Fuzion 428 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Store. This new Keystone is 44 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Glacier interior, sleeps 10, LP detector, air conditioning, spare tire kit, external shower, slideout, TV antenna, DVD player, CO detector, smoke detector, self-contained, and 106 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, front bedroom, loft, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, patio deck, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Fuzion 428 is 15,960 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Store, visit RVUSA.com.